Global markets opened with cautious optimism today. Equities have rallied for 5 straight days, with the Dow Jones and S&P 500 showing strong gains, thanks to upbeat corporate earnings. The Nasdaq saw a slight pullback as investors await key economic data later this week. In Europe, Germany's DAX is up by 0.7%, while France's CAC 40 and the UK's FTSE 100 remain flat. Asian markets had mixed results. Hong Kong, South Korea, and Australia posted gains, while Shanghai saw a modest dip. Corporate earnings highlights: General Motors, GM, reported better-than-expected Q1 earnings, $2.78 per share on $44 billion in revenue. However, the company postponed its earnings call and withdrew its full-year forecast, citing trade policy uncertainty. United Parcel Service, UPS, beat expectations with Q1 earnings of $1.49 per share on $21.5 billion in revenue. Shares are up to 6% in pre-market trading. Coca-Cola also exceeded profit estimates, posting $0.73 per share, but reported a 2% drop in sales due to limited impact from global tariffs. Trade policy developments: President Trump is reportedly considering easing tariffs on auto imports and related components. This could include retroactive relief on steel and aluminum duties. As a result, automaker stocks like Ford and Stellantis have reacted positively. Additionally, Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent hinted at an upcoming U.S.-India trade deal, possibly exempting some manufacturing-related tariffs. Key economic indicators ahead: investors are watching for key data this week, including consumer confidence and job openings reports. Later in the week, GDP and employment figures are due, offering more insight into the health of the economy. Cryptocurrency and commodities: Bitcoin is trading near $95,000, signaling ongoing interest in digital assets. Commodities: oil and gold prices have slightly declined, while U.S. Treasury yields are modestly higher. Markets remain sensitive to earnings, economic and